Hello, Jeff's Commercial Cleaning. My name is Jose Mejia with Triple J Digital Marketing, and we were chatting back and forth on Messenger. And as promised, here's your website audit video. Now, I'm going to be showing you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Now, I found by giving away this free attack plan of actual things that you can do to impact your business, a lot of businesses take this information and do it themselves, and some call me back for me to do it for them. Now, if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan for yourself, that works for me as well. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. So the first thing I want to go over is content. Now, you guys need at least 1,500 words to be optimized with Google. Now, Google loves content in the websites, and you guys have currently have about 527 words on your homepage. And taking a look at your competitor, they have 720 words, 22 words, and your closest competitor would be Cleaning Authority, which they're located or they service Wilmington, Delaware as well. Now, when it comes to words on the homepage, these guys are very beatable. And in addition to this, the more content you have, the more you look like an expert in Google's eyes. So you'll want to beat out your competitors. If they have 1,000 words, then we want to make sure that you guys have 1,500 and so on. Now, when somebody searches certain search phrases, Google crawls the websites on the internet searching and ranking the results. Now, this is a paid program. It's called Ahrefs, and I use this to do research when Google is looking for keywords and is looking for what the site should be found for. Now, if you guys have the exact words in this case would be Cleaning Services Wilmington, Delaware, then your site will be really relevant for those keywords and for that search as well, and Google is going to be willing to put you higher in the results. Now, taking a look at the keywords that you guys currently have, you only have about 5 keywords that are currently ranking. Jeff's Power Washing, Commercial Cleaning Delaware, Commercial Cleaning Services Wilmington, and your competitor here has about 18 keywords. Now, we take these keywords as well and place them on your homepage in order for you guys to start ranking for these keywords. And above all, other keywords that are relevant to your industry, we would also place them on your homepage so you can start ranking above your competitors. Now, the second thing I want to cover with you is another important aspect to Google: backlinks and UR and DR ratings. Now, in this program, it also shows me what we're up against, and the UR rating shows how powerful your website is in the eyes of Google. In this case, you guys have 5 out of 100. And the DR rating is a trust rating. In this case, 1.3 out of 100. When it comes to meaning how much Google trusts your website, and an important way of raising these numbers is through backlinks, which we can see over here. You guys currently have 5 backlinks, and 2 out of those 5 are giving your website power. Now, in this case, your competitor only has 4, but only 1 referring domain. So what we would do is we would go into these referring domains from other competitors, grab those backlinks, and apply them to your website as well. Now, in order to have a backlink is usually like a shout out or an endorsement from another website. And with this program, again, we can attain them for your website from other competitors, and it's literally like a popularity contest where the website with the most backlinks wins people. Now, you got to also take a look at that not all links are created equal, so it's worth noting that backlinks need to be relevant to your industry, and local websites work best. Now, moving on to the next visible section is the third important item. Showing you here is the Google Map Pack. I went ahead and did a Google search for, in this case, Cleaning Services Wilmington, Delaware, and this is called a map pack. And on the top 3 listed here are the ones that have are getting a lot of work because they're super easy to find and are listed right away. Now, some things that you can do to get listed in here is 1, have a Google Business profile. Number 2, fill out as much as possible your name, number, hours, photos, etc. And number 3, put your name, address, and phone number into as many relevant directories as possible. These are called citations. A citation is anywhere your business name, phone number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google Business Profile, or GBP. Citations help you rank in this map pack here, which is extremely important for local businesses, since these can generate huge amounts of revenue based on traffic. Citations are also included in online directories like Yelp, Angie's List, Expertise, Better Business Bureaus, and hundreds of others you may have heard of. Social media accounts are a great tool as well. Now, the idea is that your site begins to be found more by Google all over the internet, and the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you, and once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is to rank you above your competition. Now, the websites here below are called the organics. You also want to be listed on the top 3 so that most amount of people will find you. So it looks like if you were to add more content and keywords on your site, increase your UR and DR ratings, and get some high quality backlinks and citations, you could be bringing in a lot of calls, and you can start to outgrow your competitors. So this is what I do for a living, and I hope this video was helpful. If you do find yourself wanting more to continue scaling as far as you want, feel free to reach out and I can help you with some more information, or we can talk about your goals and I can do some research to find out exactly what could be realistic for your business and what it might take to do to reach those goals. Again, my name is Jose Mejia with Triple J Digital Marketing. Feel free to reach out. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope this helps. Have a great day.